How to create a Yelp account. First of all, download the Yelp app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then tap on the Open button available there and open the app on your device. Now, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions to navigate to your sign up or login page. Once there, tap on the sign up or else tap on the skip button available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the skip, tap on the three lines at the bottom right, then tap on the sign up or login. Now tap on the sign up button available there. Enter the ask details such as name, email address, password, zip code of your location, and optionally add a profile photo and tap sign up to complete. I cannot create a Yelp account on my country or region. So if you are from any of the country and region where Yelp account works, then all you have to do is follow this process and sign up to complete. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.